Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert 0.1 inch page margin in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to insert 0.1 inch page margin in this document. Firstly, go to the Layout menu. Then select the margin drop down menu, and we can see here many margin, but don't we see the 0.1. Now we create custom 0.1 inch page margin. Go to the custom margin option, then select the top margin, write 0.1, then apply the same process in left, bottom or right. Then click OK, then click Fix, then click OK. Now we can see we insert 0.1 inch page margin in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.